day 3 of the festival. Amna, who are we gonna see today?
We're gonna go to
George Ezra and Lana Del Rey. And just a few others that I can't remember, but it's gonna be another great day of the festival. It's the last day, and then tomorrow we're heading back.
What's that for?
God.
it's free food because, but
Oh my god, it's raining. Hell.
Can I please just say something? Okay, I told these 2 girls it's gonna rain, it's gonna be cold, please dress warm, and they didn't listen to me.
No. Well, I wore a jacket.
I also have a jacket.
We wore jackets, but like...
Guys, your jackets are gonna get wet. Please feel my jacket, please.
Okay, bye.
Oh, hello.
Can you please show the camera the inside of my jacket?
Oh, whoa.
And look at inside. It's like
Whoa.
That's double padding. Okay.
Double padding. See, she's smart.
So just
70 degrees. Coming home because it was raining and it was freezing and we just couldn't handle it because we're not used to that kind of weather in Dubai. So we came home and we said we were going to hang out for an hour-ish and then go back, but we stayed for like another 4 hours and just stayed warm inside. And now we have to go back to the event to see Lana Del Rey, but we're so scared. Like, we're scared of the cold because... So I had umbrella, and then the head of security came to me and he's like, listen, you're not allowed to use umbrellas in this event. Can you imagine? Like, how annoying. How annoying. So I'm still getting my umbrella. Hopefully I won't bump into head of security, and we'll see. And Nof isn't coming with us today. She's still sick. She's getting some rest, and Amna is waiting for us to go. So tell us, what is this event and what's the food situation here?
Well, at least they decided this year that they should go with a meat theme, and this is decided to go mostly vegetarian food, and there is no meat.
There's no meat in the entire event. Well, no meat, no chicken, no... Look at that. No. So these are truffle burgers. True.
But what you can do is you actually come here and you can choose the flowers you want, and then there are 5 florists who are actually working on the crowns.
Yeah,
crown?
Yeah, flower crown.
Crown. And then you go and you are fabulous.
long time to sing that song with you again.
love you way, way more. Way more.
Up a beer, take it over here, play video games. I'm in this favorite sundress, watching me get undressed, take your body downtown. I say you're the bestest, leaning for a big kiss. What's your favorite perfume on? Go play your video games. 'Cause it's you, it's all for you. Everything I do, I tell you all the time. Heaven is a place on earth with you. Tell me all the things you kiss me all the time. Summertime sadness, I just wanted you to know. Super grateful for you. I hope you liked the new record and had so much fun too.